The AI industry in crypto is still in its early stages. Compared to the DeFi hype of 2021, it's clear we are just getting started. The key reason for its potential growth is that blockchain technology is becoming mainstream, with many AI projects using blockchain already making real-world impacts. Even though token prices for many AI projects are not doing a lot right now, there are some bullish signals, and arguably, you should buy when there's blood in the market and sell when everyone is hyped. For instance, at Computex 2024, Nvidia announced many exciting plans for the future. This is a big positive for the entire AI sector. Nvidia, while a stock market giant, also has significant implications in the crypto market. Once trading at just $5 or even lower, Nvidia's stock price has now skyrocketed to $130. This surge shows major investor interest in the AI industry, with Nvidia playing a crucial role in its advancements. So, what are some AI crypto projects that could see significant growth like Nvidia? Well, I've put together a list of some of the best AI-related crypto projects in the market right now. These projects demonstrate how combining AI with crypto can be more efficient for both the project teams and users, and also enhance the intelligence of blockchain overall. If you enjoy this type of educational content, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button to let me know. Alright, so let's start with the first project on my list, and perhaps we should start with the most hyped projects in recent weeks, and that is AIO.net. It's a decentralized marketplace where GPU providers can rent out the resources and earn IO tokens. Companies can access these GPU resources at a fraction of the cost of traditional cloud services like AWS and Google Cloud. Usually, if you are a crypto miner or some independent data centers, you might have some underused GPUs laying around. If you want to earn money with them, now you can do it with AIO.net. Since its launch in November 2023, AIO.net has gathered almost 19,000 GPUs and just over 6,000 CPUs that are ready for deployment. They've also partnered with Render Network and Filecoin to integrate 2,000 additional GPUs into the network. In terms of funding and partners, AIO.net completed a Series A funding round with 30 million led by Hack VC. Major investors include Multicoin Capital, Solana Ventures, and more. They have over 50 development and business partners, including AVR, Exhibit, and Hivon. Binance also announced a launch pool for IO token on 6th of June, marking it as the 55th launch pool project. Users can stake BNB or FDUSD in separate pools to farm for IO tokens, which became available for trading on 11th of June. A lot of people like to compare Render with AIO.net. Well, so Render focuses more on software processing, while AIO.net emphasizes the hardware side of things, making it a significant player in the AI and crypto space. The second one on my list is another new project, because new projects are usually the ones that attract attention and capital. This one is more of a DeFi project with an AI-integrated focus for its users, and it's called Aperture. So what is Aperture all about? Basically, DeFi has become too complicated for the average user. Managing your positions and getting good deals is a hustle because there are so many different layers, chains, bridges, and liquidity pools to keep track of. Imagine you could just say what you want and the program does the rest for you. That's what Aperture is aiming to do for DeFi, like having your own Javas from Ironman. Let me give you an example. Let's say you want to rebalance your ETH position. Normally, you have to keep an eye on multiple dApps and manually execute everything. But what if you could just say, I want to rebalance my position every time ETH increases by 5%, and I want to close out my position if ETH ever decreases below 2K, and the system handles it. While Aperture's intense GPU translates your instruction into blockchain code, then on-chain agents called solvers compete to get the best deal for you. They use various solutions to find you the best price, and Aperture only executes if it meets your goal. It's like using Google Flights instead of checking each airline's website individually. The next project is arguably the boss of all AIs because it helps connect machine learning models from people all over the world, and that is Bittensor. Even though creating new AI models is usually expensive and limited to a few big companies, AI is still a major 21st century development that should be accessible to everyone. This is why Bittensor makes it possible by using blockchain technology to decentralize access to AI. It builds a peer-to-peer network where users can develop and share the machine learning models. These models can interact and learn from each other, creating a collaborative community. With this unique mix of AI and blockchain, Bittensor aims to democratize AI development and make it more inclusive and innovative. Another interesting fact about the project is its tokenomics. It follows Bitcoin in some ways, like the total mineable tau is capped at 21 million tokens, while the asset experiences halving events. But unlike Bitcoin, which halves in a fixed numbers of blocks, tau halves according to the supply. Tau halving occurs every time of the entire remaining supply is mined. For example, tau started with 21 million mineable tokens, meaning a halving will happen when 11.5 million tau is mined. For post-halving, miners will receive 0.5 tau instead of 1 tau they currently receive. Now, with 11.5 million tau yet to be mined, the next halving will occur after another 5.75 million tau tokens have been mined, with the halving cycle repeating. The last project is AIOZ, and you might want to check it out if you watch a lot of videos or create content yourself. AIOZ Network is a new way to stream videos using a distributed content delivery network built on its own blockchain. This project has lots of potential in the media sector. It uses extra memory, storage, and bandwidth from users who can become nodes to store and deliver content and possibly get paid for it. This also speeds up content delivery and connects creators with their audiences more directly. We are talking text, audio, video, games, live streams, and even augmented or virtual reality, setting a new media era. The project originally started with a goal to transform video streaming by creating a distributed network powered by regular people. Over time, it has grown into a blockchain that is fully compatible with Ethereum and Cosmos, allowing for quick dApp deployment and low transaction fees. Well, will AIOZ be the next platform for content creators? I don't know, so I guess time will tell, but one thing for sure is that the AI crypto industry is still in its early days, much like DeFi was in 2021. Despite some frustrations over falling token prices, the sector is poised for growth as blockchain tech becomes mainstream. But before we wrap up, a quick shout out to PundiX. This OG project is diving into the AI world very soon. PundiX, as you know, is known for the crypto payment devices exports. They are about to upgrade the export system, and with users staking PundiX token, you will unlock advanced AI features. These features include price discovery for better pricing strategies, real-time transaction monitoring for improved security and efficiency, and AI chatbots for enhanced customer service. These integrations might bring more value to the business, and if you want to get more updates about this, make sure to follow them on Twitter. In the meanwhile, let us know if you hold any of these projects by commenting down below. If you also want more regular updates from me, do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next one.